You know what, Caden? I think it's finally time that we move out of this house. We need a much bigger house. And plus, I'm tired of dealing with Mackie, Nathan, Braden, everybody that's in this house. They always get on my nerves.
Oh, move houses? That's a great idea.
Well, there's a house just right off the street right here. But we need to hurry and get going. We need to get all the blasters out of here by tomorrow. If we can do that, maybe they won't even figure out we're gone.
Okay, let's do this.
It's time to move out. Okay, Caden, we're here.
Okay.
Man, it's been an entire week and none of us been able to find Cameron. If this stays like this, we're not going to have a house. We're going to be living on the streets. Wait a minute. Is that Cameron's truck? Hold on a sec. Slow, dang it! Guess I'm gonna try the back door. Man! I got a better idea. Nice place. Caden? Why didn't you tell me that you and Cameron were moving, Caden?
Because I don't want Cameron to get mad at me.
It's alright, buddy. You know I can't be mad at you. One question, Caden, I'll forgive you.
What?
Where's the Nerf blasters at, buddy?
In the cabinet.
Okay. Nice win, Cameron. Wait a minute, forget this. I know exactly where you live. I need to go tell Mackie, Nathan, and the others.
Not happening.
Hello?
Hello,
Yeah, who is this?
Gavin. Why?
What's up, bro? I got some good news.
What's the good news?
Yeah, I found where Cameron lives.
We've been looking for him for a while.
Alright, so, like, for real, it's just like, just walk down the tracks, and then you'll see this small little bridge, and a basketball goal right beside it, man, and, just take that right, and take another right, and then, there you go, right there.
Okay, well, I'll get the rest of the crew and we'll head up there.
Alright,
Alright, bye.
see you there, bro. See you, man. Bye.